On weekdays, the doors open at 10:30 in the morning at the Lunchbox. There's a reason why this restaurant is packed with people.
You need to come early if you want to be guaranteed that you have what you want for lunch. You need to come early, because if you wait till 1 or after, then there's not a guarantee that we're going to have it, because it is made, it's homemade, so when it's gone, it's gone.
Lee Rutherford opened the Lunchbox in 2017 in downtown Shawnee.
I have loved to cook my whole life.
The eatery stands out, known for its sandwich meat.
It's sandwich style, but we don't use deli meat. We roast turkey breast, we have ham on the bone, marinade and slow roast tenderloin, homemade meatloaf, meatballs. Everything is homemade, like if you were going to grandma's house.
Using family recipes, she and her staff prepare the meals from scratch. The portions are perfect for lunch.
Well, my favorite is the chicken salad. It's an old family recipe, and so that is my personal favorite. That is my favorite. The Southwest Turkey Club was the first sandwich that we came up with when we started thinking about doing this venture. To this day, it's still our #1 seller, and that's been very successful for us. Hi, Blakely, how are you?
People of all ages enjoy coming to the Lunchbox, a place that knows everyone by name.
It's like my birthday, and I picked this place because it's really good.
I usually eat here about once a week, and I just love the home-cooked food. It just says the food's wonderful. Atmosphere is wonderful, and we just love it here.
The Lunchbox offers more than just great sandwiches. You can't leave here without trying the desserts. They're homemade, of course. Cookies, cakes, muffins, and banana pudding. Let's give it a try. That's really good.
We have a variety of homemade desserts that rotate through, and we had bread pudding one day, and a man came in and he's like, "Oh my gosh, I haven't had this since I was a kid, and my mom made it for me." So those kind of things, that's what the Lunchbox is about. It's more than just feeding someone's stomach. It's about feeding their soul, too. It's a pleasure to be here and to serve and to take care of my customers each and every day. So I don't really even like the word customer, because they're all like family to us.
It often looks like a family gathering at the Lunchbox. This is a favorite lunch spot until 2 o'clock, Monday through Friday. In downtown Shawnee, Quintran, Discover Oklahoma.